Welcome to BG News, your go-to source for the latest in technology news and insights. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of 5G and exploring how this groundbreaking technology is poised to change everything. 5G, or fifth-generation wireless technology, represents a significant leap forward in mobile connectivity. With speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, 5G promises lightning-fast downloads, ultra-low latency, and seamless connectivity for billions of devices. But what exactly makes 5G different from its predecessors? At its core, 5G relies on a combination of new radio frequencies, advanced antenna technologies, and intelligent network architecture to deliver unprecedented performance. One of the most significant benefits of 5G is its ability to support a massive increase in connected devices. From smartphones and tablets to IoT devices and autonomous vehicles, 5G networks have the capacity to handle the growing demand for data and connectivity in our increasingly connected world. But the impact of 5G extends far beyond faster download speeds and more reliable connections. This technology has the potential to revolutionize entire industries, from healthcare and manufacturing to transportation and entertainment. In healthcare, for example, 5G enables real-time remote monitoring, telemedicine consultations, and the rapid exchange of medical data. Patients in remote areas can now access high-quality healthcare services without the need to travel long distances. In manufacturing, 5G-powered IoT devices and sensors enable the creation of smart factories that can optimize production processes, reduce downtime, and improve overall efficiency. This results in cost savings and increased competitiveness for manufacturers. 5G also has the potential to revolutionize the way we experience entertainment and media. With faster download speeds and lower latency, streaming high-definition video, immersive virtual reality experiences, and multiplayer gaming will become more seamless and immersive than ever before. But with great power comes great responsibility. As we embrace the transformative potential of 5G, we must also address concerns related to security, privacy, and digital equity to ensure that everyone can benefit from this technology. In conclusion, 5G represents a monumental shift in the way we communicate, connect, and interact with the world around us. From faster download speeds to transformative applications across various industries, the possibilities are endless. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey into the future of connectivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of technology.